Can you believe it? We made it 31 days of Christmas in July 2025. Yay! I just want to thank you, whether you watched one video or all of the videos. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now, my goal initially was to have all the projects finished. I know, big plans, right? By the end of this series, and that didn't happen for various reasons, but it didn't happen nonetheless. I did, however, get some of the projects finished, and I have a good plan in place to finish the rest of them. So without further ado, I am going to show you a few of the things just so you can see how things turned out for me, and also talk about what's to come and all that good stuff. All right, so the 16 patch, I have the top finished. Again, I was hoping to have the whole thing finished, but I don't. You can see a full picture of it here. I do love this. I think I'm gonna put a Minky or something on the back and make a nice snuggly movie watching quilt thing. I think that would be a lot of fun. For this, you could quilt it, you could tie it. There's so many different options with this, and you could just make table runners out of it if you want to. Always remember that with our quilt tops, we don't have to make quilts, we can repurpose them. Pillows would be cute too. I did finish the table topper, and by the way, I'll put the days on here of when they were from. I love how this turned out. I quilted it with 2 different threads. You can probably see it better on the back. I did the quilting in the neighborhood that I like to do. Is it perfect? No. Is it cute? Yes, and I can't wait to make more of these. Can you imagine these as Christmas gifts? You could do one for each season for somebody. It would be so wonderful, wouldn't it? Especially like a newly married couple or something, that I could just see in all different colors. A lot of fun. And scraps. All right, now pajamas. I know you guys are all wondering about the pajamas. I did manage to put the shorts, make the shorts, cut them down and hem them. I also made a scrunchie. Isn't it cute? I love it. I might make an eye mask too with that. I have a video on an eye mask too, so if you're interested, that would make such a wonderful gift to buy a set of pajamas at a thrift shop and do something like this. People love that stuff, especially if you tell them you thrifted it, especially if they're younger. My son, the one who is 29, and his girlfriend, they love thrifted items. They love the whole idea of repurposing. So keep that in mind. I also made this adorable pillow. This is from the pajamas and the pajama bottoms. I realized pretty quickly that they kind of went together. I created this pattern myself. Let me know if you're interested in a tutorial in this. I'd be happy to do something. I think it turned out so cute. It's so squishy and soft. Love it. I also finished up the, what are these called? Coasters. Finished them up. I want to make some more of these. And then, of course, I made a bunch of the pillows, the cell phone pillows, the fobs, the pen holders, all kinds of stuff. A lot of people in my life wanted them after they saw them, so that was good too, because I know they're going to be well received, and they're going to be well received on your end too by people, I hope. Overall, I hope this helped you. The goal of this all along was to make sure that you were prepared for the holiday sewing season, because I know that's a major issue for a lot of us, including myself. So hopefully this helps you get a head start on everything that you need to sew for the holidays. If you are on my mailing list, you may be receiving a survey from me. I would appreciate it if you just give me some feedback on this series. That will help me determine whether I'm going to do it next year, how I'm going to do it next year, if I should do it next year, all that stuff. And also just let me know what you liked and what you didn't, so I can plan content in the future. And speaking of content in the future, this weekend I have a Lessons from an Old Quilt. That's a series that I have. I think I'm almost at 80 quilts that I've reviewed. I look at them and talk about the things that we can learn as modern makers from people from the past who made quilts. And of course, I know I fell short with my habit videos. There will be a habit video coming soon, within hopefully a week or 2, I hope so, in August, so we can get caught up on our goals for 2025. And lastly, tutorials. I have plenty of tutorials planned, lots of surprises coming up in the fall, and I cannot wait to share them all with you. Again, thank you so much for welcoming me into your home every day and just being such a supportive community for me. I really appreciate it. It's been wonderful. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew. I'll see you real soon. Bye.